Good morning, dear students. So previously from exercise 3.3 in our previous class, we have completed up to question number 18. No? Today let us try question number 19 and then 20. Okay, dear students? So here sin x plus sin 3x, here you can apply that sin x plus sin y formula, that is will be equal to twice sin x plus y, means x plus 3x by 2. Okay, dear students? If you have forgotten the formula, you just keep the book open and just go through the formula. 1-2 times you practice using by looking at the formula, then it will be in your mind. Then cos of x minus y means x minus 3x by 2. Okay, divided by cos x plus cos 3x means cos x plus cos y. That formula gives us 2 times cos of, that is x plus y, x plus 3x by 2. Okay, and into cos of x minus y by 2. X minus y means x minus 3x by 2. Very clearly you can cancel these two terms. No? Cos of this cos with this cos we cancel because same only. Then we have only here 2 also cancelled. Sin of x plus 3x is 4x. 4x by 2 is twice x. Sin twice x. Sin twice x by here cos twice x, which is equal to tan twice x. So this is the result. Okay, dear students? Question number 20 is here. Sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x equal to 2 sin x you have to solve. Okay? So as we know, sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 times cos x plus y, x plus 3x, that means by 2 into sin x minus y by 2, x minus 3x, that means x minus 3x by 2. Okay, next divided by sin square x minus cos square x. You can write it as minus cos square x minus sin square x, which is equal to cos twice x, no? So 2 times cos, this is 4x by 2, twice x, into sin x minus twice x, x minus 3x is minus twice x, by 2 is minus x. So sin of minus x. Okay, dear students, divided by, and minus, you know, cos square minus sin square is cos twice x. Again here you see 2 times cos twice x, and sin of minus theta, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, so we can write here minus sin theta or minus sin x, divided by minus cos twice x. Then cos twice x cancelled, and this minus cancelled, so it will be 2 times sin x, which is our answer. Okay, dear students? Question number 21, you see, 21 is like this: cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos twice x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin twice x. After simplifying, we have to show it as cot 3x. So since 3x is required, dear students, where 3x is there, these two terms you leave them as they are. Only other terms you try to combine by using identities. That means cos 4x you try to combine it cos twice x. So cos 4x we write it cos twice x. And then this cos 3x, let it be sideway like this, cos 3x, divided by sin 4x, you write it sin twice x. And with that, this one you keep as it is, sin 3x. Okay. Now here if we apply that identity, 2 times cos x plus y by 2 means 4x plus twice x by 2. So 4x plus twice x by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 means 4x minus twice x by 2 into the other term, plus, not into, plus cos 3x divided by Sin 4x plus sin twice x. You can write it as sin x plus sin y using sin x plus sin x 2 times. That is sin x plus y by 2 means 4x plus twice x by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2, that is 4x minus twice x by 2 into plus, that is the remaining term, sin 3x. Okay, then this will be 6x by 2, that means 3x. It will be twice x by 2, it will be cos x. So that will be 2 times cos 3x into cos x plus cos 3x divided by 2 times sin 3x into cos x. No, 4x minus twice x is twice x by 2 is x plus sin 3x. So taking cos 3x as a common factor from the numerator side, cos 3x and cos 3x common, here sin 3x common, so you will get like this, cos 3x common, then inside 2 times cos x plus here will be 1, down there cos sin 3x common, then here will be 2 times cos x plus 1. Okay, so then it will be cancelled. So cos 3x by sin 3x is cot 3x. So this is the result. Okay dear students, this will be the final result. So thank you and have a nice day, and go through the other questions. If you find any difficulty, just let me know. Okay dear students.